Okay, this is a sneak peek of the unboxing of my book. Oh my gosh, this is it. It's here. Oh my goodness. Okay, you look at that one. I want to look at this one. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's a book. Yeah.
Ooh.
This is amazing. Definitely a long time coming.
It's beautiful.
So how many pages? It ended up being 200, well, let's see, 209 or 10 with 11. But the content, 296.
It's a good read.
It's a good read. And the
I saw some pictures in there.
table of contents, yeah, table of contents. Ta-da! And ta-da! So, amazing. Oh my goodness.
Yay. Show us the cover one more time.
Ta-da!
Yay.
It's officially unboxed, and I want to take a few minutes to name a few really important people who got this book to what it looks like now. First one is Chris, who is my editor, and she took this beast, which was 62,000 words, did like an Edward Scissorhands thing on it, and reorganized some chapters that didn't really make sense in the order they were in, and she made it this today. Then I had Autumn come in, and she did copy editing, so she looked for mistakes, inconsistencies. Book Launchers had a proofreader come in, look for the typos. They've also been helping me with project management and marketing, and that's Julie, Jacqueline, and Sarah. Ade designed the cover. I know I've mentioned that before. I love this cover. She also did the text design inside. And then I have Amy, who's been helping me with the marketing, sort of copywriting stuff behind the scenes. And I'm so grateful. These are people that came at just the right time. They're exactly the right people and at exactly the right time. And it's finally here. My copy is to go through now and look for any mistakes. And if it's good to go, we just go, and you'll be able to pre-order it. You'll be able to buy it on Amazon in paperback and ebook, but you'll also soon be able to find it in your bookstores. And you could be part of my book army and ask your local bookstore for Read Me, A Parental Primer for the Talk by Dr. Lene St. John. That would be a huge help. And I have a lot of emotion going on right now, and I don't know where to begin other than just I'm so happy, and I'm feeling so much gratitude for these amazing people who have been part of this. Just, yeah. So, thank you, and watch for it. Ask for it, buy it.